Today I'm gonna show you the surprise group pack and the lottery. If you are the winner, you can take it's over than 2 million car in Taiwan. The second stuff I need to tell you, everyone is crazy at the Chinese New Year time is this one. The lottery for the money. If you come to Taiwan, you must be try this one. See you are lucky or not. Hello, Sono Logan. Welcome back my channel. Now it's Chinese New Year time, so today I'm gonna show you the surprise group pack and the lottery. Last time I already showed you guys the convenience stores price group pack, and now it's Chinese New Year time, so we have the different special group pack for you guys. It used to be like 4 supermarkets. But I'm way up to that, so I only got 1. And you guys can see it's also a lottery right here. This one. If you are a winner, you can take it's over than 2 million car in Taiwan. But in Taiwan, the car is more expensive than other countries because our government costs us lots of tasks for that. So just let me see what's inside. The first one, it's so cute. You see? It's a bear, not a rabbit. Even it's rabbit here, but it's bear. Let's see the second one. It looks like have lots of stuff inside. So let me see what's inside. Looks like a book. Notebook. We got 6 notebooks. And what's another one? Ooh. Normally you put this on the desk. Where you are working, you can put this, then notice something, then you know which day you are there for, you are busy or some job, you can write on that. Repeat. A Chinese New Year time, if you have a job, you must be earn some money, then you can put the money inside, give to your parents or your family, the children, and those tickets for cost down. Last one. The stick. Let's see the third one. Toilet paper. The fourth one. Also paper, but this one we use in the kitchen. Kitchen paper. Let's see what we got. This one for the breakfast. And another dessert, Japanese rice cake. The taste is ripened. Last one, the drink. This drink is a juice. Okay, that's all. Nothing else. But the point is the first one. The lottery. Just let me see where is my lottery. and we will know who are the winner on end of January. Maybe I can win, but normally I'm very bad lucky. The second stuff I need to tell you, everyone is crazy at the Chinese New Year time is this one. The lottery for the money. This one is the most expensive one. It cost me $2,000 and you can play some games on it. You guys can see it's lots of cards. And those cards is for the second winner. The first winner will win here $20 million. And we have 8 games. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally 8 games. So just let we start, see I'm lucky or not. Okay, first of all, you have to choose your lucky coins to play this game. And this lottery have 8 different games. They will write how to play the game on the behind. The first game is they give you the lucky number. If your number is same with the lucky number, then you can win this game. The second game is if you have the third cent monies, then you can win the money. The third game depends how much money you got. The 4 games is the same. The 5 games is if you got 2 cent monies, then you will win the money. The 6 games is same with the number 3 and number 4. The 7 games, if your number is more than their numbers, then you will win the money. The last games is same with the first games. So totally we have 8 different games. Also we do have the similar games like 1 and 8. And number 3, 4, 6 is the same game. And number 2 and 5 is the similar. Number 7 is totally different. So just let we start. Number 1. Just see which one is a lucky number. Lucky number is 5 and 15. Okay, let's see what's my numbers. I hope I can. The 5,000 is for number 1. Also another 5,000, number 8, 11 is 1,000, 7 is 1 million. Why is not 5 or 15? Number 4 also 1 million. Number 2 is $200. Number 6 is 2 million. Number 3 is 10,000. Number 14 is 2 million. Number 12 is 100,000. I think that's all for these games. I don't win any money from the number 1, the first games. It's not surprise me, because normally I'm very bad lucky for the lottery. Let's see the number 2. Number 2, I have to have the 3 the same monies, but looks like just 2. Number 3. Number 3 is the 0, so I didn't win any money. Okay, the number 4 is same and shit. Same shit. It's also 0. Number 5. The number 5 is the different money, so I lose. Number 6, also nothing. Number 6. Number 7, I got 40, and he got 44. And second one I got 50, and he got 54. The third one I got 37, and he got 39. The fourth one I got 49, and he got 51. The last one I got 46, and he got 48. It means I lose all these games. The last chance, the lucky number is 16 and 20. Let's see my last game and last chance. I got 18, 17, 19, always 23, 25. Okay, that's all. I play the 8 games and I win nothing. I lose it all. So it means I lose the $2,000 paying us. But it's not surprise me because I always lose. It means I'm very unlucky. Hey guys, just like what you see, I lose. It's not surprise me. Every year I never win. It's always like this. Somebody lose, somebody win. I already see the news. 2 or 3 people already win the car, 2 million. Also, one family is very lucky. They win the $20 million. So if you come to Taiwan, you must be try this one. See you are lucky or not. If you are lucky, maybe you can start travel around the world. They will have a new lottery for every Chinese New Year's. And the most expensive one is like this, 2,000 every year. Okay, it means I still need to work hard to make the videos, upload to all you guys. Hope I can be a YouTuber earlier. Otherwise, I will running out of money back to the job, just be an engineer again. Hopefully not. So last things, happy Chinese New Year for all you guys. See you next time. Ciao.